TSWREIS. I am studying in 8th class.
I am Shravani.
I am Vaishnavi.
I am Namita Swero.
I am Ramya.
Friends, we all are from
TSWREIS
Junior College,
Togutta.
Siddipet district.
Friends, I want to teach you a mathematics subject. Mathematics is a king of all subjects and mathematics is an interesting and important subject. Friends, to know what is today our topic, observe on the slide, friends. Friends, what do you observe?
Sandhya Swero, can I?
Yes, friend.
There are two girls swinging on the cradle.
Good, friend.
Sandhya Swero, can I?
Yes, friend.
In this picture, I observed that maybe there is one of the playground.
Well done, friend.
Sandhya Swero, can I?
Yes, friend.
I think the playground is in some geometrical shape. But what is the real shape of it?
Excellent, friend. It is a good question. Friends, can anyone answer for that question?
Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
Maybe it is in square shape.
Excellent, friend. 100% it is correct. Friends, it is in square shape. Friends, I think you know the area of square.
Yes, friend.
Friends, I think you know the square.
Yes, friend.
Can anyone explain about it?
Can I, Sandhya?
Yes, friend.
Friends, observe that this is the square. Square is a four-sides closed figure. Square has four equal angles, four equal sides, and two diagonals are equal.
Yes, friend. A square has a regular shape. Observe on the slide, friends. Friends, this is a square. The side of this square is 1 centimeter.
Sandhya Swero, I want to say about this picture.
Yes, friend.
This is a unit square. This is a unit square. The definition of unit square is a unit square is a square whose side is 1. It means each side of the square is 1 centimeter.
Excellent, friend. A unit square is a square. The side of unit square is 1 centimeter. Friends, I think you know the area of square.
Yes, friend.
Ramya, can you tell?
Okay, friend, the area of square is equal to side into side.
So, friends, the area of this unit square is equals to 1 into 1. In exponential form, we written as 1 square. Friends, observe on the slide. If it is increased in again 1 unit, what will be the area?
Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
If the side of square increase 1 unit, it will becomes 1 unit plus 1 unit is equal to 2 units. So, the area of square is equal to 2 into 2. In exponential form, we express as 2 square.
Excellent, friend. Friends, observe on the slide. If it is increased in again 1 unit, what will be the area?
Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
Before increasing 1 unit, the side of the square is equals to 2 units. After increasing 1 unit, the side of the square is equals to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 units. Therefore, the area of the square is equals to 3 into 3. In exponential form, we written as 3 square.
Excellent, friend. If it is increased in again 1 unit, the area of square is equals to 3 into 3, 3 square. Friends, had you saw? There is a pattern.
Yes, friend.
Friends, observe on the slide. The pattern is that 1 into 1, 1 square, 2 into 2, 2 square, 3 into 3, 3 square. Friends, what you call 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, those numbers?
Maybe square numbers?
Marvelous answer it is, friends. We call those are square numbers. Friends, the product of two equal factors is known as perfect square.
Friend, I have one doubt.
Yes, friend.
Does all the square numbers are perfect squares?
Sandhya Swero, I know the answer. With your permission, can I, friend?
Why not, friend?
Vaishnavi Swero, yes, Vaishnavi Swero, all the square numbers are perfect squares.
But Ramya Swero, all the perfect squares may not be square numbers.
Perfect, friend. But all the perfect squares may not be square numbers. Okay, friends, observe on the slide.
Wow,
the
what a
beautiful field.
Friend, field is in square shape.
Yes, friend.
Yes, friend. The field is in square shape. The area of this field is 400 meters square. Friends, here we doesn't know the side of square. Yes, friends?
Yes.
So, friends, now we find.
Friend, we find, but it's difficult to find.
Yes, friend, it is some difficult to find. But, friends, in easy way find. By using inverse function.
Inverse function?
Friend, we know about inverse function. For this, we will do an activity.
Why not, friends? Let us do.
Friends, I'm getting too hungry. Can you give 8 chocolates for me?
Okay, friend. Take this 5 chocolates.
Take these 3 chocolates. Thank you, dears. 5 plus 3, 8 chocolates.
Shravani, can you give 3 chocolates for me?
Okay, dear. Take these 3 chocolates.
Thank you. You are very kind.
When I want 8 chocolates, Namita gave 5 chocolates and Ramya gave 3 chocolates. Totally, I got 5 plus 3, 8 chocolates. Then Vaishnavi asks 3 from 8 chocolates. Then I subtract 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 minus 3, 5. Friends, here only we had observed that plus 3 is the inverse function of minus 3.
Friends, what a wonderful! Friends, by this activity, we learned that plus is the inverse function of minus. But friends, what is the inverse function of multiplication?
Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
The inverse function of multiplication is division.
Well done, friends. The inverse function of multiplication is division. Friends, we had learned that the inverse function of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Yes, friends?
Yes. Friend, I have one doubt.
What is that, friends?
Friend, you had told that addition is the inverse of subtraction and multiplication is the inverse of division. Then, what is the inverse of square numbers?
Friend, it is an excellent question. For your question, I want to take one example. Friends, the example is that square number is equals to 2. Here, 2 square is equals to 4. So, now I want 2 from 4. So, what can I do, friends?
Sandhya Sphero, can I?
Yes, friend.
Then 4 is equal to 2 into 2, that is equals to 2 square.
Yes, friend. When I want 2 from 4, so 4 is equals to 2 into 2, 2 square. But friends, now I want 2 from 4. So what can I do?
Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
When plus 3 is the inverse function of minus 3 and 2 square is equals to 4, here 2 is transposing this side. So, we know that multiplicative inverse of 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, 2 is equals to 4 to the power of 1 by 2.
Excellent, friend. Friend, when I want 2 from 4, 2 is equals to 4 to the power of 1 by 2. The multiplicative inverse of 2 is equals to 1 by 2. Friends, it can be also written as square root 4 is equals to 2. Friends, had you listened, there is a new word.
Yes, friend.
What is that?
Square roots.
Excellent, friend.
Sandhya Sphero, here I am thinking that this is our concept.
Marvelous, friend. It is our concept. Observe on the slide, friends. Square roots. This is our concept. Friends, before starting our concept, we want to do one energizer. Are you ready, friends?
Yes.
Okay, friends, let us start. Wow, friends, what a wonderful.
Thank you, friend.
Okay, friends, observe on the slide. This is the symbol we use it for square root.
Sandhya Sphero, while you are explaining that, one question is raised in my mind. Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
What is mean by square root?
Friend, it is an excellent question. For your question, I want to take. Friends, square root means when we multiply two equal numbers, then one of the number is called square root of that number. Observe on the slide, friends. Square roots. A square number is expressed as the product of two equal factors. Then one of the factor is called square root of the number. Friends, for example, I take 4. 4 is equals to 4 into 4, 4 square, that is equals to 16. So, the square root of 16 is equals to one of the factor, that is 4. Friends, so the square root of 16 is equals to 4. Friends, have you understand?
Yes, friend.
Namita Swaro, can you give one example for this?
Yes, friend. I have taken an example that is equals to 6. 6 into 6 is equals to 6 square. So, friend, 6 is the square root of 36.
Excellent, friend. What a wonderful explanation. Friends, I think you understand about these.
Yes, friend.
But we learn more about these square roots. Okay, friends?
Okay.
Observe on the slide, friends. What do you observe, friends?
Sandhya Swero, can I?
Yes, friend.
There is a tree which had roots.
Yes, friend. There is a tree which had roots. Friends, we already know a tree roots can foundational support to a tree. Likewise only, square roots also foundational support to a squares.
Friend, I have understand about this concept.
Yes, friend.
Friends, for example, assume that 5 has a tree and the roots has a 25. We know that roots are the foundational support to the tree. Likewise only, these square roots are also foundational support to the square numbers.
Excellent, friend. Friend, likewise we take so many examples. Observe on the slide, friends. Square roots of the numbers. Square root 1 is equals to 1. Square root 4 is equals to 2. Square root 9 is equals to 3. Friends, Ramya, can you tell what is the square root of 16?
Okay, friend. The square root of 16 is equals to 4.
Excellent, friend. The square root of 16 is equals to 4. Vaishnavi, can you tell what is the square root of factor 5?
Friend, 25 is the square root of factor 5.
Wow, friends. Friends, I think you understand about these.
Yes, friend.
Shravani, what are you thinking?
Friend, I am thinking about what is the relationship between square numbers and square roots.
Marvelous, friend. It is a good question. Friend, to clarify your doubt, I want to show one video. Are you ready, friends?
Yes, friend.
Okay, friends, observe.
At time, there are 10 close friends. They were got summer vacation holidays, so they want to enjoy holidays. Their names are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let us see what they are doing.
9. We had gone summer holidays, but it is too boring for me. I want to enjoy. Then what we have to do? Come, let's meet our friends. Okay. Hi, friends. Hi, 10. 9. How are you? We are fine. What a surprise. It is too boring for me. I want to enjoy. What we do now? Come, let's play. Okay.
Oh my god, I don't want to play this game.
But what happened to you?
It is too boring. Daily we are playing this game only.
Okay, let us go meet our friends. Okay.
Hi friends. What are you doing?
Nothing. I am watching the cartoons.
No, I'm busy. You always watching cartoon, yeah.
I am getting bored, so I watch the cartoons.
Okay, come, let us play with our friends.
Okay. 18.
Hi friends.
Hi, friends. What a pleasant.
Yes. What are you doing?
We are playing. Friends, someone is missing here.
Yes.
One.
Yes.
Stop. Let's make us home.
Okay. Hi friends.
Hi friends, it is exciting to meet with your friends.
Me too.
Anything good with us today?
Yes. Come, let's play.
But what shall we do? Friends, near my house there is a forest. There are fruits and flowers. Let's go and enjoy.
Okay.
Let's go.
The all 10 friends meet at one's home and decided to visit forest. They went off. Let us see what will happen there. Nine suddenly saw one house. She went to go inside of the room. So she went off. Let us see what will happen.
Wow, what a beautiful house. I want to see inside the house. Oh my god.
let's eat. See friends, one is left. Oh my god, somebody is missed here.
I think 9.
Yes.
Let's search her.
Okay.
Where are you? 9. Where are you? I'm here. Please help me. Friends, 9 is there. Come first. Come first. Bye, come first.
I'm 1. I will open the door first.
I will search any keys there.
The door is not opening. I'm getting pain. I can't open it. Friends, I am 4. I am intelligent, I will try it. Friends, it is too hard. It is not coming. Sorry.
Friends, I'm 10. I'm bigger than you all, so I can try once.
Friends, there is no key.
It is too hard. 3, can you try once?
Okay, I'm 3. I will try it. Friends, the door is open. See
Yes.
here.
Wow.
Thank you for saving my life.
How it is possible?
Yes. For anything special with you?
I don't know.
But
What happening? There is any special?
But how the door is open?
Yes, how the door is open?
Friends, I think you are also in confusion.
Yes, friend.
Friends, to clarify your doubt, see the continuous video.
Friends, see here. Assume that 9 has the lock and 3 has the key. So that's why it is open.
Friends, had you clarified your doubt?
Yes, friend.
Friends, by this video, we conclude that square root of 9 is equals to 3. Okay, friends, for this, we do one activity. Are you ready, friends?
Yes.
Friends, observe on this. Friends, there are missing square roots and numbers. Yes, friends?
Yes.
You want to stick the suitable numbers. Okay, friends?
Okay.
Who hit complete and who hit it correctly, I will give you stars.
Okay, friend.
Okay, friends, start from here.
Friends, see here the square root of 64 is equals to 8.
Excellent, friend. You did correctly. Take the star.
Thank you, friend.
Friend, square root of 15 is equals to 225.
Excellent, friend. You did correctly. Take the star.
Friends, 121 is the square root of 11.
Good, friend. You did correctly. Take the star.
Thank you, friend.
Friends, see here, the square root of 169 is 13.
Friend, you did correctly. Take the star.
Thank you.
Friends, all are you do correctly? Friends,
friend.
so let me move to another.
Yes, friend.
Friends, now we will discuss about how to find the square roots of different numbers. Friends, there are patterns and methods to find the square roots. The methods are, observe here, friends. There are 3 methods to find the square roots. One is repeating subtraction method, prime factorization method, and last one is division method. Friends, are you interested to hear patterns or methods?
Patterns.
Okay, friends, let us discuss about the interesting patterns.
Okay, friend.
Friends, observe on the slide. The pattern is that sum of successive odd numbers. Friends, I think you know the odd numbers.
Yes, friend.
Okay, friends. Friends, what are odd numbers? Can anyone explain?
Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
The odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc.
Good, friend.
Sandhya Swaro, I want to ask one question to her.
Yes, friend.
Friend, how can I tell that those are odd numbers?
Because of they are not divisible by 2.
Excellent, friend. Because they are not divisible by 2, so those numbers we call as odd numbers. Okay, friends, observe on the slide. Here, 1 square is equals to 1, the first odd number, that is 1. 2 square is equals to 4, that is equals to 1 plus 3. 3 square is equals to 9, that is equals to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Friends, can anyone say what is the next pattern?
Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
The next pattern is 4 square is equals to 16. 16 is equals to sum of the 4 odd numbers that are 1, 3, 5 and 7.
Excellent, friend. Friend, can anyone say what is the next pattern?
Can I, friend?
Yes, friend.
The next pattern is 5 square, that is equals to 25. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9.
Well done, friends. You did correctly. Friends, for this, we do one activity. Are you ready, friends?
Yes, friend.
Okay, friends. Observe here. Friends, here square numbers are missing and some numbers also missing. You want to stick the correct. Okay, friends?
Okay.
Okay, friends, you did complete. Start from here.
Two square is equals to 4.
Here the 3 is missing. So 1 plus 3 plus and the next one is 5.
Friend, here the first odd number is missing. That is equals to 1. And the third odd number, that is equals to 5.
Friend, complete fast.
Here 5 square is equals to 25, that is equals to 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9.
Friends, you did correctly. Okay, friends, shall we move to another?
Yes, friend.
Friends, now we will discuss about the method. The first method is repeating subtraction method. Friends, observe on the slide. Repeating subtraction method. Let us discuss about. Now we find the square root of 36 by using repeating subtraction method. The first step is 36 minus 1 is equals to 35. Here we subtract the first odd number. 35 minus 3 is equals to 32. Here we subtract the second odd number. Ramya, can you tell what is the next step?
Okay, friend, the next step is 32 minus the third odd number, that is 5. 32 minus 5 is equals to 27.
Good, friend. Shravani, can you tell what is the next?
Okay, friend, the next step is 27 minus fourth odd number, that is 7, is equals to 20.
Good, friend. Vaishnavi, can you tell what is the next?
Friend, the next step is 20 minus the fifth odd number, that is 9, that is equal to 11.
Good, friend. Namita Swaro, can you tell what is the next step?
Okay, Sandhya Swara, the next step is 11 minus 11, that is equals to 0. Friend, here we are taking the sixth odd number 11.
Friends, good. Friends, from 36, we had subtract the 6 successive odd numbers to get 0. At sixth step, we get 0. So, the square root of 36 is equals to 6. Friends, had you clarified?
Yes, friend.
Ramya Swaro, can you give an example for this?
Okay friend, here I am taking the example 16. From 16 I subtract the first odd number, that is 1. 16 minus 1 is equals to 15. From 15 I subtract the second odd number, that is 3. 15 minus 3 is equals to 12. From 12 I subtract the third odd number, that is 5. 12 minus 5 is equals to 7. From 7 I subtract the fourth odd number, that is 7. 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. Here I am conclude that the square root of 16 is equals to 4.
Good friend, you had explained very well. Friends, have you understand?
Yes friend.
Friends, to move next method?
Yes friend.
Before that, we listen one video song. Are you ready friends?
Yes.
Okay friends, see here. Observe on the slide.
Every day I use square root. Square root of 9 equals 3. 3 square equals 9. When I'm in class, I grab my textbook. I gotta solve them all. Multiply a number by itself to get a square. To get a square, I use square roots every day. I use square roots. Multiply a number by itself. A first number. Get a square root. To get a square root, I use square roots every day. I use square roots. Now square roots are stuck in my brain. I'm gonna increase them. I use square roots every day. I use square roots.
Wow,
friend, what a beautiful melodious
song.
Friends, have you enjoyed?
Yes friend.
Okay friends, what is our second method?
Prime factorization method.
Yes friend, observe on the slide. Prime factorization method. Shall we discuss about that?
Yes friend.
Friends, I think you know the prime numbers.
Yes friend.
Namta Swaro, can you say?
Okay, Swero, the number which have two products that are 1 and itself called prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and etc.
Good friend, you had explained very well. Friends, now we will discuss about the prime factorization method. Observe on the slide friends. Now we find the square root of 144 by using prime factorization method. Friends, the first step, the product of prime factors for 144. The first is 144 is divisible by the first prime number, that is 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. 72 is divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, remains 1, 12. 2 6 are 12. Shravani Swaro, can you tell what is the next?
Okay friend, the remainder is 36. In units place 6 is there, so it can be divisible by 2. Therefore 2 1s are 2 and remains 1. It becomes 16. Therefore 2 8s are 16.
Good friend. Namta Swaro, can you tell what is the next step?
Yes, friend, the next step is 2 is divisible by 18. So, friend, 2 9s are 18.
Good friend. Ramya Swaro, can you tell what is the next?
Okay friend, here 9 is not divisible by 2. It is divisible by the next prime number, that is 3. 3 3s are 9.
Good friend. Friends, the last step is 3 1s are 3. Friends, the prime factors of 144 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Friends, now the second step is we want to pair the separates. See friends, 144, observe on the slide friends, 144 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
Friend, I know the next step.
Yes friend.
We can also write them as 2 square into 2 square into 3 square. So that is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 whole square. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So 144 is equal to 12 square.
Good friend, well done explanation. Friends, 12 square means 12 into 12. So the square root of 144 is equals to one of the factor, that is 12. So the square root of 144 is equals to 12. Friends, have you understand?
Yes friend.
Okay friends, we recall all those. What are those friends?
Square numbers.
Perfect squares.
Square root.
How to find the square root by different methods and patterns. Methods are repeating subtraction and prime factorization method.
Yes friend, now we will discuss about Observe on the slide, friends. The first is square numbers. Multiply a number by itself to get a square, or an integer is a square of another integer is called square number. Ramya Swero, can you give one example for this?
Okay friend, here I am taking the example 4. 4 is equals to 4 into 4, that is equals to 4 square, that is equals to 16. Here 4 square is the square number.
Good friend. Shravani Swero, can you give another example for this?
Okay friend, the next another example is 5 into 5 is equals to 5 square is equals to 25. Here 5 square is the square number.
Good friends. Have you understand, friends?
Yes.
Okay friends, observe on the slide. The next is perfect square. The numbers are expressed as the product of two equal factors. Such numbers are called perfect square. Vaishnavi Swero, can you give one example for this?
Yes friend, here 81 is a perfect square. We know that 81 is equal to 9 into 9. Here 81 is expressed as the two equal factors. So 81 is a perfect square.
Good friend, well done explanation. Friends, the next is square roots. A square number is expressed as the product of two equal factors. Then one of the factor is called square root of the square number. The symbol is used for square roots. See here friends. Okay friends, Namta Swero, can you give one example for this?
Yes friend, the example is 5 into 5. That is equals to 5 square. So friend, 5 is the square root of 25.
Good friend, well done explanation. Friends, have you understand?
Yes friend.
Okay friends, the first method, what is that?
Repeating subtraction method.
Yes friend, repeating subtraction method. Let us find the square root of 25 by using repeating subtraction method. The first step is 25 minus 1 is equals to 24. Here we subtract the first odd number. And the second step is 24 minus 3 is equals to 21. Here we subtract the second odd number. Namta Swero, can you tell what is the next step?
Yes friend, the next step is 25 minus the third odd number 5. That is equals to 19.
Good friend, well done explanation. Ramya Swero, can you tell what is the next step? Shravani Swero, can you tell what is the next step?
Okay friend, the next step is 19 minus 9 is equals to 10.
Friend, 16 minus 7 is equals to 9. Sorry friend. Friend, the next step is 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. Friends, from 25, we had subtract the 5 successive odd numbers starting from 1 to obtain 0 at 5th step. So, the square root of 25 is equals to 5. Friends, have you understand?
Yes friend.
Shall we move to next step?
Okay friend.
The next method.
Can you explain again it?
Yes friend, why not? Friends, now we find the square root of 25 by using repeating subtraction method. The first step, we want to do 25 minus 1 is equals to 24. Here we subtract the first odd number. Second step is 24 minus 3 is equals to 21. Here we subtract the second odd number. 21 minus 5 is equals to 16. 16 minus 7 is equals to 9. 9 minus 9 is equals to 0. Friends, now you understand?
Yes friend.
Here, what is the square root of 25?
The square root of 25 is
5.
Good friends. Friends, what is our second method?
Prime factorization method.
Yes friend, now we will discuss prime factorization method. Friends, here we find the square root of 225 by using prime factorization method. 225 is divisible by 5. 5 4s are 20, it remains 2, it becomes 25. 5 5s are 25. Next, 5 9s are 45. 9 is not divisible by 5, but it is divisible by 3, that is prime number. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Friends, the prime factors of 225 is equals to 5 into 5 into 3 into 3.
Friend, I know the next step.
Yes friend.
Now we have to write them in pairs.
Yes friend.
That is 5 into 5 and 3 into 3. And it can be also written as 5 square into 3 square.
Yes friend. that is equals to 5 into 3 whole square. 5 3s are 15. So 125 is equals to 15 square. 15 square is equals to 15 into 15. So the square root of 225 is equals to 15. Friends, have you understand?
Yes, friend.
Friends, now we will do. Friends, I want to conduct one test. Are you ready, friends?
Yes.
Okay, friends. Friends who had complete did correctly, I can give you chocolates.
Okay, friend.
Friends, write correctly.
Okay, friend.
You get chocolates. Friends, complete fast. Friends, complete fast. Friends, have you complete?
Yes, friend.
Namita Swaro, can you tell what is your question?
Yes, friend. My question is that identify perfect squares in between 1 to 100 and the square number. Friend, see here. There is circle in that numbers. And friend, these are the perfect squares. 1 square is equals to 1. 2 square is equals to 4. 3 square is equals to 9. 4 square is equals to 16. Friends, 5 square is equals to 25. And 6 square is equals to 36. And 7 square is equals to 49. 8 square is equals to 64. 9 square is equals to 81. And last, 10 square is equals to 100.
Good friend, you did correctly. Take this chocolate.
Thank you, friend.
Ramya Swaro, what is your question?
Okay, friend. Here you have given to me an interesting puzzle. In the puzzle there is square, square root, pattern, perfect square, factorization, subtraction.
Good friend, you did correctly. Take this chocolate.
Thank you, friend.
Shravani Swaro, what is your question?
My question is find the square root of 64 by using prime factorization method. First step is 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and remains 1. It becomes 12. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Here I am taking all are the prime numbers. And next step is I write them in equal pairs. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 is equals to 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. And it can be also written as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 whole square is equals to 8 square. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8 is equals to 64 is equals to 8 square. And 8 square is also written as 8 into 8. Therefore, the square root of 64 is equals to one of the factor, that is 8. Therefore, the square root of 64 is equals to 8.
Friends, well done explanation. You did correctly. Take this chocolate.
Thank you, friend.
Vaishnavi Swaro, what is your question?
Swaro, my question is that find the square roots of 25 and 49 by using repeating subtraction method. So, I conclude that the square root of 25 is equal to 5 and the square root of 49 is equal to 7.
Good friend, you did correctly. Take this chocolate.
Thank you, Swaro.
Friends, now we will sing the song, that is square roots. Are you ready, friends?
Yes.
We will do dance also, okay friends?
Okay.
Okay friends, let us start.
I use square roots every day. I use square roots. Square root of 9 equals 3. 3 square equals 9. When I'm in class, I grab my textbook. I gonna solve them all. Multiply a number by itself. The first number to get the square root. To get the square root. I use square roots every day. I use square roots. Now square roots are stuck in my brain. I'm gonna in these texts. Now square roots are stuck in my brain. I'm gonna in these texts. I use square roots every day. I use square roots.
My dear Sakis, what a wonderful performance.
Thank you, friend.
My dear Sparrows, thank you for cooperating me, and I really thanks to Honorable Chief Minister and our Secretary Sir Garu.
We really thanks to Principal Madam Sri Malati Devi Madam Garu. We really thanks to our subject teachers.
Friends, we all really thanks to
T.sat
T.sat
channel.
channel. Bye.